I apologize. I've been quite a little bit. I've just been busy with some things business-wise, but yeah, definitely I'm going through your questions, your comments, and everything. So today's video is just one of those questions that I was asked, and I found it a very interesting question. That's why I am making it into a video. On a previous video, somebody asked, is it possible to make 1000 pips in Forex a day? Think about it. Is it possible to make 1000 pips trading Forex every day? So in this video, we are just going to break down whether it's possible or if it's not possible. What do you think? Is it possible to make 1000 pips each and every day trading Forex? Leave your comments in the comment section below. I will definitely go through your comments as well. Okay, so before we go into the video, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing. That's how you are not going to miss any of our future videos. Go ahead and like the video. That just motivates me to continue sharing the knowledge, sharing these videos with you guys for free. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. I don't charge you for anything. You don't buy anything from me. I don't sell you anything. So the least that you can do for me is to just go ahead and like the video. If you are looking to download Forex robots, courses, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. The broker that I am using, I've been with them for more than 5 years now, and I've not had any problems regarding deposits and withdrawals. And they are one of the best brokers in the world. They've been winning awards, and one of their best offers is that you can actually open a real life trading account for just $5, which you can use to test robots, indicators, systems, all the stuff that you want to test without putting too much money on the line. So go ahead and sign up with them. The link is in the description box below. Let's get into today's topic. Is it possible to make 1000 pips in trading each and every day? Let's think about it. 1000 pips. Okay, so here's the scenario. Watch the entire video to get my thoughts on this, and definitely I'm going to try and make it a very short video because I'm not planning to make this video very long. I have to be somewhere. So from the onset, what you want to understand is that most forex pairs, the pairs that actually move on a good day, they move between 80 and 100 pips. That's on a very good day of movement. So you are expecting between 80 and 100 pips. So with that in mind, is it possible to make 1000 pips every day? Now, the first approach that you probably take in that scenario, if you are somebody who wants to take on that challenge, is then with the understanding that currencies move between 80 and 100 pips a day. On a good day, that is, sometimes the currencies are just flat. The market is just flat, so sometimes it's even lower than 80 pips. But sometimes on very good days, on a very good week, you can expect between 80 and 100 pips a day. So what you then want to do is to find technically, because this is theory. In theoretical terms, you would then definitely want to find 10 pairs that move, that are going to guarantee you that 100 pips a day. Then you place trades on those. So trade 10 pairs that have potential to move 100 pips a day. Then you technically can make 1000 pips a day. Is it doable? That's another argument. Is it doable? Is another argument. But in theory, that's one way of doing that. Now, the second approach, which I think is a fairly possible. Fairly possible. I'm saying fairly possible because I'm not saying you go and do it because you lose your account, you lose your money. So I don't want you to come back and say to me, I took your advice and I blew my account. So this is theory again. So what you probably want to do is, because we said on a good day, forex pair, like we're looking at like volatile pairs like GBP pairs. Those are like pairs that do move nicely. If you look at GBP JPY, GBP USD, GBP pairs are some of the pairs that really move per day. So what you can do is, you don't need 10 pairs with this approach. Second approach, you don't need 10 pairs. What you just need to do then, in order to catch your 1,000 pips, is you want to find a pair that's guaranteed to move 100 pairs or so. Now, with that in mind, you need to take that pair and you place 20 trades. 20 trades. And not aim for the 100 pairs, but only aim for 50 pips, not 100 pairs, 100 pips. So instead of trying to catch 100 pips, you are now finding that you are aiming for only 50 pips. But what you need to do is, you are going to have to place around 20 trades to do that. I don't know if your account can handle that. I don't know if you're able to handle the pressure, if you're able to handle the drawdown that comes with that, because it's exhaustive as well if you're trying to do that maybe on a very small account. So if you have an account that you are willing to risk, or you are willing to practice with, or whatever, then what you need to do is, because we said from the onset of the video, technically there are pairs that move between 80 and 100 pips every day. So if you find, not every day, sorry, not every day, on fairly good days, because some days are flat, but on fairly good days you can have between 80 and 100 pips on a pair. So out of that pair, if you find a pair like that, you don't need that pair to move 100 pips, but you only need it to move 50 pips. Then your lot sizing, you are going to have to place 20 pairs, 20 trades, sorry, with a good lot sizing, so that what you catch those 1000 pips. And we have 20 trades by 50 pips. That's certainly what, 1,000 pips, if it plays out, if everything works out. If everything works out, I'm saying if, because sometimes we know in trading, sometimes things happen. So those are probably some of the two ways that you probably want to do it. If you have another way that you probably would want to do this challenge, then leave it in the comments section below. So one way is, find pairs that move 100 pips a day and trade 10 pairs of those, which is highly impossible. Or you can find a pair that you know moves between 80 100 pips a day. Instead of targeting the 100 pips, you only target 50, and you place up to 20 trades. So if every trade of those 20 trades reaches those 50 pips, technically you made 1,000 pips. Okay, so if you have any other questions that you have regarding trading and stuff like that, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer your questions. Guys, subscribe, like the video. If you have any thoughts, leave them in the comment section below again. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Please, you're all too loud, you don't speak quietly.